if not because of the ESN that Nnamdi Kanu created in the southeast, today, the Igbo land, even those that said that they are not Igbos, would have been packing out from Igbo land by now, because there will be an excessive force from Fulani militias against the Igbos and the people of Biafra.
If not because of ESN and the Biafra Liberation Army that was created by our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the southeast would have been a dead zone by now, because the plan of Nigeria government against Igbo people, against southeast, is terrible, and nobody will tell you this. Nobody will tell you the truth. I'm the one that is going to tell you the truth. I'm the one that's going to tell you what is happening. We don't know what God done for us by giving us a strongest man in the world, that is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We don't know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our savior. After God, na him. After God, it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But some of our people don't know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if we don't have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as an Igbo person, the plan of Nigeria government and the Nigerian soldiers towards Igbo people will be, I will not even tell you what will happen, but that people will die like shaking. Share this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about this video?
Somebody type on the comment section, say, God bless Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ohamadike of Biafra. You see, I'm a prophet. I will tell you the truth. I cannot lie to you. I can't lie to you. And if you feel that what I'm saying is paining you, go and walk transformer. My word came from the word of a God that you cannot even say anything to. Whatever he says is what will happen. Do you know that if not because of the ESN that Nnamdi Kanu created in the southeast, today, the Igbo land, even those that said that they are not Igbos, would have been packing out from Igbo land by now, because there will be an excessive force from Fulani militias against the Igbos and the people of Biafra. Are you aware? Are you aware? Type on the comment section, say, God bless Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the reason. Listen, when your enemies want to deal with you, whatever you bring out will become a crime. I don't believe, I'm not in that road that supports people killing innocent people. The fear of Fulani militias, Fulani herdsmen, and Fulani Lakurawa, the fear of Igbo land is ESN. If not, do you see what they entered into Ebonyi State and did? They entered there and unalived several numbers of people. I cannot post the thing here. You are aware of what I'm talking about. They were unalived and they just unalived them and took off. If it is not ESN and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the excessive force that he brought out to save his people from these killer herdsmen, today, Benue is crying. Benue is crying because they exonerated themselves from being Igbo people or being Biafrans. That is why the government came up to announce that they are terrorist organization, Biafra. How can you? Is it possible to label a whole nation a terrorist organization? That means the people that is supporting them from Igbo land are still terrorists. That is the truth. It is because Nnamdi Kanu is a man who stood by his people and say, no, this marginalization is not going to work. It's not going to work, since they have refused to create what will secure the people. I am going to make sure that my people will be secured. There is Omoteku in the southwest, that is Yoruba land. There is Arewa on. There is one that are protecting them. If you come to the Yoruba land here now, you see that there is a little peace. No matter there is concussion, whatever that is happening by concussion. There is concussion, they kidnapped this, they did this, they know what they are talking about. They know what is happening. They know. Some time ago, Hope Uzodinma came up to say that the kidnapping and all this manner of things happening in Imo State is politically motivated. Go and check his video. That is not ESN. Yes, whatever they will say at the back is their business, but we take their word. By Igbo people say oku is zuerole. The southeastern governors, they came and brought Ebubago. Everybody was shouting. Ebubago is not there to protect the people. Everybody was shouting. Even they are still there collecting money in different junctions in Igbo land, especially Imo State. I know they are still somewhere collecting money. They are everywhere collecting money, carrying an open van, open Sienna, to unalive people, to hold people ransom. Go and check on the news. You will see it. People are crying. Ebubago have did this. Ebubago have unalive people. Ebubago have kidnapped people. Ebubago have done this and done that. Go and check. If you doubt me, I am going to make an inquiry of I will put it across to the. It's just that I don't like using people's video here to avoid giving me sanction. I will get them where people are shouting, Ebubago have come and taking my brother, have come to do this. It's Ebubago this. All allegation. This is an allegation that is coming up from people. The one that is at Ezochiri in Amifeke, Orlo, those ones that are there collecting money, they are Ebubago. It is Ebubago that is carrying big guns. That is local security. They are carrying big guns. They are the ones, they are collecting money. Even if I did not see whoever they arrested, myself, if I did not see, not what people are saying, I have seen them collecting money from motorists, from Keke, from Okada, which is against the law. It's extortion. It's against the law. Thank God, ESN came on board. That is why the bush in Igbo land is secured. And that is the fear of these killer herdsmen. Because if you come and do anyhow, you will receive anyhow. They are not there killing people. They are protecting the territorial integrity of the Igbo land, which has been abandoned. That is what they said. We are protecting Biafra from the invasion of kidnappers, from the invasion of Fulani herdsmen that are unaliving people in Igbo land. We should say no to killing of our people. It's never a crime. To protect your people is not a crime. According to the Penal Code, to protect anybody from being killed, from unaliving him is not a crime. Life is sacred. We don't need to allow life to be lost. Instead, we protect lives. Is it in the law for anyone to kill anybody out of the judiciary processes? No, it's against the law. Therefore, whatever any man is doing to protect life is not a crime. Protect life from invasion of enemies that will take away life that is very precious. I remember in the Bible he said, eat flesh, eat meat, but don't eat life. Meat I'm talking about is not human meat. I'm talking about animal meat, consumable meat. No matter God gave you the authority to eat meat, he said, do not eat blood. Eat meat and leave blood. That is why you see some, when they want to eat meat, they will first of all remove the blood. then I eat meat, because blood is sacred. Animal blood is sacred. Talk more of human blood. Human blood is sacred. I know you may not like what I am saying here, but if you don't like it, it's not my business. You can go and use your head to break down a wall, or you go and hawk transformer. That is all you can do. There is nothing again you can do, but the truth will be spoken. Yes.
We are not yet done with the celebration. For the past few days, every day, different type of story, different celebration. We have different congratulation messages. Like today now, another congratulation messages. See, we have won. In fact, all of you should go and sleep. We have won. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have defeated the Nigerian leaders. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is now triumphant in everything. What happened yesterday, May 24th? We are talking about the U.S. telling Nigerian government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with unconditional release. They are demanding for unconditional release for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That same yesterday, Britain now form allies under U.S. to ask Nigerian government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Few days ago, Ngozi Orabeze, the only woman in a man, or the only man in a woman, this woman is so exceptional. This woman is so good. This woman went to UN, that is UN, to go and talk about Biafra. And this UN now, they are taking action on freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and also the Biafra people. Not just that, we are not even done with all this accumulated celebration. We are not even done. Even like this, since yesterday, I'll be enjoying myself because of all this news that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to get his freedom. We are not just done. We are not even done with all those news. Now, this same woman, Ngozi Orabeze, went to African Union. Do you know how many signatories that signed the document of Biafra yesterday? About 37. In fact, I'm going to attach the pictures, the clips on this video, so you'll be seeing it, or under the comment section of this video you see the pictures to tell you how far these people see. Even the blind, that those that are blind, I'm not talking about you that can see, that is not even seeing the victory that is coming. You people are not seeing it, but those people that are really blind, they can see it. But you, because of enemy of the victory, the enmity you have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now has blindfolded you to the extent that you cannot even see the victory. And you see, you go pepper una die till una short, till una, if una not get skin, una not put body, because the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is just getting them every angle, everywhere. If they go to the right, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will defeat them. If they go to the left, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will defeat them. If they stand in the middle, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will defeat them. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not Moses that only lead to the people of Israel to the promised land, but could not enter the promised land. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the person that will lead the Biafran to the promised land, and he will stay and enjoy the promised land with the Biafran people. And even you, the bad belly, the enemy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, will witness it. And also, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be alive. You won't beg. Imagine the Northerners are begging now. The Northerners are begging for what they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Biafran people during Biafran war. Why are all these people suddenly started begging now? Why are the Britain now talking about Biafra now? Why are they talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom now? See, this is the time. This is time. Everybody should start enjoying themselves. This is not time for crying. This is not time for thinking. This is not time. This is time for celebration. From now till Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get his freedom. Every day of my life is celebration. See, people are waiting for me to say, or waiting for me to talk, say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to come out. In fact, the way I'm seeing it, in few days or months or weeks from now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to. I told you guys early this year that this December we are going to celebrate with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and now it's not getting to December. Any moment for now, he's going to get his freedom. Like I told you guys, even if he gets his freedom, you people may not even know. We all may not know till when they want us, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want us to know. Please, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have defeated all the enemies everywhere. Share this video and comment on the video. I'm still coming back again. Me, I no go tire, and I go tire for me. Like when I comment rubbish under my post, I know they fear. You know they will shake me. They will touch my body. I go say I'm personal because now be more wrong. Now be any more progress. I no go ever see. I no go ever reach half of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All of una, both una leaders, all of them no go reach even the feet of where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stand. in feet wey him go stamp na no fit na the mental God go punish all of una when I dey comot rubbish under my post una dey against the progress of man God go punish see I no dey fear all of una na the craze bye bye reasonable breakfast una celebrate we are getting to the promised land and we will get there whether they like it or not bye for now.